Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And welcome back to another episode of the Falloween Spooktacular craft series that I'm co-hosting with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. In today's video, I have a fun Halloween design team project that I've created for Scrap Diva Designs. I will also announce the second winner for our prize giveaway. And last but not least, I will announce the third and final question in our Falloween Spooktacular giveaway. So go grab a cup of coffee, tea, or wine, get comfortable, and let's get into the fun. For my project today, I've created this adorable pumpkin mini album. Now this is using a die from Scrap Diva Designs. Before I take a closer look at this project, let me show you some of the items that I used to make it. I used this pumpkin mini album too. Now, this is the second mini album that Scrap Diva Designs has created. She launched one last year, which is adorable. Also, she has another pumpkin, which is a shaker bag. And if you look at the video that I did 2 weeks ago, you'll see an example of that. But I love this. You get several different layers. You have your base layer, a stitched layer, and then your decorative layer here. And then you've got the mouth and the little eyes, which are spiders, to make the jack-o'-lantern. I think that is so adorable. I also used this large door tag. Now there are 3 different doors in this October release. There's a large, a medium, and a small. And again, I'm working with the large here. Each of these items are available at scrapdivadesigns.com. Please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, for a 10% discount. When you make a purchase, I receive a small commission, which enables me to support this channel and to continue creating fun videos for you. While you're online, be sure to visit Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. This is my pumpkin mini album, and I just love the way it turned out. I love the fun fall and Halloween colors and the hints of gold. This measures 5.5 inches wide and about 5.5 inches from top to bottom. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look at each of the pages. This is my mini album. On the top, I have 3 flowers. We've got a large and then 2 smaller ones. I've embellished them with these fun gems. In the center, we have this pearl rhinestone here. I've included these cute little golden curly cues to serve as the vines. My favorite thing about this mini album are the spider eyes. I think they are so cute. And so I have the eyes, the nose, and the mouth popped up on foam. I love this paper in the background. I think it is so perfect for fall. And then I've included these spider webs here in gold. Now on the side, I've included lots of ribbons. We've got this orange and black shimmer. We've got spiders. We have black and gold and several others. I just had fun adding them here. And I really like the way it looks on this mini album. Now to hold the mini album together, I used this piece. This is from the Scrap Diva Designs Elf mini album. She has this in a variety of her mini albums, but I just cut out several of these, and for each page, I attached 2 of them together to make them sturdy. Okay, but you can also make your own. These are very easy to make. Now for this mini album, I kept the embellishments pretty flat inside so that I didn't get the alligator mouth. So let's take a look inside. So I have on this page created this fun layout. Now I did use a die from my stash to create this layered circle here. This ghost I cut out from the Minte Halloween cut apart book. And all you have to do is slide a photo in. On the next page, I've created a little pocket, and I've used ephemera from the paper collection. I've cut out these fun flowers with these cute little gold leaves. And then in the pocket, I have these cut aparts. Now I did cut these down so that they would fit in the pocket, and I've just left the backs blank so that you can include photos. On this next page, we have this cute little witch, which is also from the Minte Cut Apart book. And I've created this cute little collage with these little lanterns. We've got a little pumpkin here, and it says, "Hello, Boo." And then we have this nice photo area. All you have to do is slide the photo in, just like so. On the next page, we have a double photo layout. Now, this is a sticker from the paper collection. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's the Halloween collection from Cartabella. And again, you just slide your photos here and here. On the next page, we have this cute little trick-or-treater here, and it says, "Welcome to our haunted house. Enter at your own risk." And this area is held together with a magnet. So you've got a space here for photos, and then 3 additional spaces. On the next page, we have another fun pocket, and this is all about black cats. We've got another flower here. Here, I've cut out a smaller photo area, but instead of using it as a photo area, it's more decorative because I wanted to show off this cute paper with the kitty cats. And then we've got this cute little black cat with the large jack-o'-lantern. And in the back, we have 3 more tags. We've got our small one. This is one of the stickers from the paper collection. And then these 2. Some more space for photos. Now, each of these pockets can hold more little tags for photos. On this page, I have included this cute little ghost and these little jack-o'-lanterns and candy. And here, I've used the large door die. This is from the October release. It says All Hallows Eve. And then I've included a little pocket. So I figured you could include a tag here or even a gift card. And then we have an area to include a photo or a cute little note. On this page, we've got this cute little pumpkin topiary, another photo spot. All you have to do is slide the photo here. We've got this little area that says Boo, and then this fun flower. On the next page, we've got these adorable little witch's boots. It says Hocus Pocus, and it says Witch's Market. I love this little broomstick down here. And then this is held together with a magnet. And then the last page, we have another double layout. We've got a flower on the top. It says Bubble, Bubble, Toil and Trouble, and then 2 areas for photos. I love this little black cat here, and then we've got these cute little witch's boots. Now that I've given you an overview of my Pumpkin Mini Album 2, it's time to announce the winner of our second prize giveaway. Before I do that, let me show you what I'm giving away. The first item that I'm giving away is this 3D pumpkin card and gift box. I love the beautiful colors of purples and greens and oranges. This is 3D, and you can see the little trick-or-treaters on the bottom, the haunted house and the ghosts, and the little moon with the bats in the background. But when I show you the top, you can see that it is 3D, and this fits perfectly in this gift box. I'm also giving these fun Halloween pocket tags. Now on this first tag, we've got the cute little ghost with a witch hat. We have Hey Boo. These are from the Halloween words from Scrap Diva Designs. We've got the broom shaker, also from Scrap Diva Designs. And inside we have this cute little coffin tag. And the second Halloween pocket tag, we have the words Hocus Pocus. We've got this cute little cauldron on top, and I love these little witch legs and this spider here. And then we have another coffin tag. I'm also including these fun mini ghost tags. This is also part of Scrap Diva's September Halloween release. We've got this cute little ghost with a witch hat. It says scary. And then we have this one in purple. It says ghosts. And last but not least, I am including these spider bows. Now I created this using the Scrap Diva Designs Spider Bow Tube, but I just love the way this turned out. And this has a double layer. We've got the spider web in this black glitter. In the center of each of them, we've got this black gem. And then I've included this little tiny spider here on the edge. So let's see who our second winner is. And it's Sharing More. Ebony from Sharing More. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ebony. Please be sure to claim your prize by this Saturday, September 26th. Once again, please claim your prize by this Saturday, September 26th. Please be sure to send an email to rpitsytquestions@gmail.com and be sure to include your name, your email, as well as your mailing address so that I can ship your prize. Now, let me tell you what the third question is for our Spooktacular giveaway. Before I tell you that, I did want to say it's important that you answer the question. I am so happy to receive all the replies from each of you on my videos. However, I had to disregard more than half of you because you commented on the video, but you didn't answer my question. And in order to participate in the giveaway, you must be subscribed to both my channel as well as Michelle's channel, but you also have to answer the question of the day. So the question of the day is, what was your favorite Halloween costume? Again, what was your favorite Halloween costume? So whether it was a costume from when you were a child or maybe as an adult, just type in what your favorite Halloween costume is. Please be sure to tune in next Wednesday, October 30th. That's the day before Halloween, to see if you are our third lucky winner and to see what your prize will be. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.